morning, y'all. So it is early morning, and I am at the gym. But I figured I would come to y'all with our first episode of whatever I'm gonna call it. Y'all see it in the title when I figure it out. So I was listening to something, and there was a YouTuber. I won't mention his name. I'm actually subscribed to him. I don't know why, because he is on my nerves so bad. He irks my soul sometimes because he's so ignorant. But sometimes he says good things, and he reminds me of Cynthia G. But I rock with her more because what she says makes more sense. He's very extreme. That's what I mean by that. But anyway, he was talking about a situation with a rapper. I don't know her name. I don't really care about her name. Never heard of her before. There's just too many of them for me to keep track of. Anyway, so the guy and the girl, they broke up. They were in a relationship. They broke up, and he wanted his stuff back. And he was like threatening her life or whatever, I guess, because he's like some type of goon. And he's out here in these streets. So she was like, I had to give him his stuff back. Cool, but this is what I want to talk about. Where is this coming from that you have people that think that they're entitled to something because they give you something? Like, he gave her a watch, and this is how I feel. Now in that situation, she's like some insta thought. I don't know what she got going on, but she's nobody that's on my radar. So I believe he should have got his item back. But in the real world, when you give a person a gift, you're not supposed to give it to them contingent upon what they're going to give you or what they're going to do for you. So why is it that there is a whole sea of people that believe that, oh, I can give you something, and when the relationship is over, I want my stuff back? What is that? No, you don't get your stuff back, because when you gave it to them, the gift was intended for them, correct? So just because the relationship didn't work out doesn't mean that now you get your stuff back. Now there are caveats to that. When we're talking about like engagement rings and stuff like that, cars, houses, big ticket items, but just regular stuff, you're not supposed to give it back. But that tells me that you're working from a place of hurt. So, you want to be a little stingy because that person doesn't want you anymore. So you hit them with the, it's mine, I want it back. It's really not yours because you gave it up. Like, stop crying. And here's the thing. When a woman, and I'm talking directly to men, I'm talking to y'all women too, because some of y'all, I'll hit y'all in another video because that's a whole nother issue. But if a woman doesn't want you at that time, that doesn't mean she doesn't want you forever. Maybe, but most likely no. You need to do some work on you. So if a woman is like, oh, we're not going to be together, I don't want to be with you, that's not the cue for you to get crazy on her. Like, all the calling, the excessive acting a fool, the pulling up to birthday parties and calling 25 people to get the number to the address because we didn't give it to you, and showing out, popping up out of bushes and stuff. You don't do stuff like that, because listen, stupid, what happens is, maybe she was just trying to figure out who she was, or maybe she was giving you time to figure out who you were. By doing that, now you pushed her away. So there will never be an opportunity for y'all again. Never, ever, because now she's looking at you like a creep. Now you're weird. So, and it's because you're not in control of your emotions. What is this that, like, people think that because like anything goes when they're hurt? No, just walk away and work on you, and 9 times out of 10, she's gonna want you back. And here's another thing. Some of these women that y'all think are so amazing really are not. They're trash, and you sitting here whooping and boo-hooing and crying and acting a fool, completely making yourself look unmarketable to the next woman over some chick that is she's not even impressive. You just are stupid, and you got caught up by her physical, or you got caught up by her sex, or you got caught up by, never getting any attention, and now she gave you a little bit of attention, and now you don't know how to act. But when you sit back and work on yourself, you may realize, oh, girl really ain't that special. Just move on. Like, move on gracefully. Don't be an embarrassment. Pull your pants up and quit crying. Get your shit together and just move on. It's really that simple. Ignore her. Live your life, and then maybe y'all can come back together. Or how about you go over the 99 things that she told you, even if it was one issue 99 times. go over that and try to figure out why you have that in you and work on that specific issue, then you may get her back. But popping out the bushes, popping up at a mama's house, calling her, demanding your stuff back, I want my ring back, I want my microwave back, I want my stuff back, doing all of that is not going to bring her closer to you. Okay, so this was sisterly sentiments. I think that's what I'm going to call this. This was our first sisterly sentiment. I need to get into the gym because Coach Ken is waiting on me. I'm not late. I probably have like 6 minutes left, but I see him right there. So we'll do this again next time, y'all.